Hello out there and welcome to Peter's online tutor. Today we shall be looking at physics and the topic is equilibrium of forces part 1. All right, so we have a jam question on the board. All right, so we have a diagram. All right, and then this is the angle. All right, so this is the body. Okay, so there is a rope that is attached to this. Okay, and then there is what another rope attached to what this particular body. Okay, and this is the value of the force that is acting towards direction, and this is the force also acting on the rope, okay, towards this other direction, and then this is the weight of the body which is acting what downward. All right, so the question says, what are the values of the weight W and the angle X? Now, how do we solve this question? Let us go. Now, in solving questions like this, okay, so the best approach here is to what try and get a triangle. Am I communicating? Now, if you check this, if you look at how it is being drawn, all right, I'm talking about this rope attached to this body, okay, so I can have it like this, okay, then the angle is vertical. You can see the angle is vertical, so I'll bring it down, okay, because it is vertical. So here is what X, okay, then I can form a triangle. I can form a triangle. Look at this. So this is a triangle. All right. Now, if you check the angle, like I said before, is what is vertical. It's inclined towards the vertical direction. So this side is 5. Okay. This is the horizontal, and it is 3. Okay, then the weight is also vertical, so I will put it as what, as W. All right, so obviously here is what, 90. Okay, now the question says find this, that's the weight, and then find the angle. Now the first step here, let us try to get what, W. All right, that's the weight. Now we can easily apply Pythagoras what theorem here. Okay, so this is the hypotenuse, okay, this is the opposite, and here is the adjacent. So Pythagoras theorem states that what, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares on the other two sides. Okay, so let's do it. So it's going to be 5 squared, which is the hypotenuse, equals to what, W squared plus what, 3 squared. Is that clear? So from here I'm having here as 25 equals W squared plus what, plus 9. Okay, so I want my W squared to stand alone. So what do? Plus 9 comes here. So it becomes 25 minus 9 equals W squared. Okay, so 25 minus 9 is what, is 16. So W squared equals 16. Okay, so take the square root of both sides. Take the square root of both sides. My W is equals to what? To 4. Am I communicating? My W, that is the weight, is equal to what? To 4. Now, let us try and get what? The angle. So we're having 3 sides now, no? Here is 5, here is 3, and here is 4. So I can use any 2 sides, okay, to get my angle. All right, so applying SOHCAHTOA here. Let's see. SOHCAHTOA, okay? Here is my opposite, here is my hypotenuse, and here is my adjacent. All right, so if I'm to use opposite and hypotenuse, okay, I'll be using what? So. All right, so it becomes sine x equals, opposite is 3, okay, hypotenuse is what, is 5. Opposite is 3, hypotenuse is what, is 5. Okay, so my sine x now is equal to, if we divide 3 by 5, you'll be getting what, 0 0.6. Okay, now my x is equal to the sine inverse of 0 0.6. Okay, sine inverse of 0 0.6. So my x now is equal to, now the sine inverse of 0 0.6, now the sine inverse of 0 0.6 is 36.9 degree. That is the sine inverse of what? Of 0 0.6. So we have our values here. gotten. Okay, so here is our W, that's the weight, and here's our angle here, which is what? X. All right, so I believe that you love what you have seen so far, and if you have not been following me, please try and follow me. Okay, so click on the subscription button, like this video, share and comment on this video. Thank you.